Hello dreamers, welcome back to my next video. Today we are going to make milkmaid. For this we need 510 grams milkmaid, 2 cups sugar, vanilla essence and butter, some water. So I have heated the pan. So when it has been heated, I am going to add the milkmaid. So I have used Nestle brand today. So after pouring the whole cup, in the same cup I am going to add water. So the ratio is 1 cup of milkmaid and 1 cup of water. So both are in the pan and I am going to mix it a bit. Now I am going to add 2 cups of sugar. You can powder the sugar, but I am adding as it is. So mix all well. It has started boiling. So when it starts boiling, I'll be adding the vanilla essence. So I have added 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. So keep on mixing the mixture until the mixture get thick. Now the mixture is watery. So keep on mixing it for about 15 to 20 minutes. See, the mixture has gotten thick. So at this stage you can add 2 teaspoons of butter. So I added the butter and mixed it well. So at this stage you can add the nuts also. If you need, you can add nuts. So this is the consistency. When you reach this consistency, the mixture is ready to be poured into a tray. So I already buttered a tray, so I greased the tray with some butter. You can add oil paper also. So the mixture is ready. So I will be pouring it into this tray. So I have poured it using a back side of the spoon. I am flattening it. So when it reaches the room temperature, cut it into the desired size of the piece you need. So when it's fully cooled down, you can break it. So I hope you like this video. If you like, give a thumbs up, subscribe and share this video to your friends. And when you try this at home, please send me a pic of this. So bye dreamers.